The zeros of the function f of x equals x squared minus ax plus 2a are integers. What is the sum of the possible values of a? So we could first write out, let's say, x squared minus ax plus 2a equals, let's do x minus y and x minus z. So it's got to be true that those zeros have to add up to equal a. So from that, I know that a is an integer because both y and z are integers, because it says the zeros are integers. So a is an integer. And I want to go back to this original equation, x squared plus, minus ax plus 2a. And I want to solve for a here. So I'm going to get a to one side. X squared is equal to ax minus 2a. X squared equals a times x minus 2. So a is equal to x squared over x minus 2. We can simplify this to, I'm going to use difference of squares here. X minus 2 times x plus 2. It's all going to be over x minus 2. That way, so the way I have it written out, this is x squared minus 4. So in order to make it just x squared, I need to add a 4 here. So the x minus 2 is going to divide the x minus 2. So we have x plus 2 plus 4 over x minus 2. So this is equal to a. So really the possible values of a are all the scenarios where this right here, this is an integer. So I'm going to make a chart, all the values of x minus 2 that are going to work. So all values of x minus 2 that can work, 1 could work, -1 could work, 2 could work, -2 could work, 4 could work, and -4 could work. So now we can back out values of x that correspond to these. And then once we have the values of x, then we can get the values of a. So x, and x is just plus 2 more than x minus 2. So the values of x that would be here are 3, 1, 4, 0, 6, and -2. So I'm going to plug those values of x into the equation, and then we'll get the values, the resulting values of a. So when we plug in 3, we're going to get 5, and then plus 4, which is 9. When we plug in 1, we're going to get 3, and then that's going to be minus 4, so we get -1. When we plug in 4, we will get 6, and then that is going to be plus 2, which is 8. When we plug in 0, that's going to be 2. Yeah, that'll be, plug in 0, no, that'll be 2, yeah, minus 2, which is 0, or sorry, when we plug in 0, that'll be 2 plus 4 over -2, which is -2. So we get 0 there. Next, we're going to go 6, so we get 8 plus 1, which is 9. And then plug in -2, we get 0 minus 1, which is -1. So here are all the values of a. We were asked what is the sum of all possible values of a. So here are the unique values of a are 9, -1, 8, and 0. So if we sum all those up, 9 minus 1 plus 8, we get 16. So the answer is choice C.